Hey, good afternoon, everybody, and happy last day of January. This is your market update for Tuesday, January 31st. We'll jump right into it. Stock market today having a great day so far. Dow currently up 233 points, NASDAQ up 142 points on the day, and S&P 500 currently up 39 points on the day. Much of the reason for that was due to some labor numbers that came out earlier today showing that labor costs are in fact easing, which supports that inflation continues to cool, which supports that the Federal Reserve and their rate hikes are having the desired impact on the economy and bringing inflation numbers down. Mortgage-backed securities, after having a day yesterday where they closed down 13 basis points, rebounding today, opened initially up 14 basis points. Last I checked a few moments ago, currently up 11 basis points. So the bond market, mortgage-backed securities this week continue to kind of bounce back and forth between negative and positive. They're trading sideways for all intents and purposes. Not really gaining anything, not losing anything either. You'll have one day where they're up, one day where they're down, but pretty much trading sideways at this point in time. That could very well change based upon the Federal Reserve's statement tomorrow at the culmination of their meeting, which ends tomorrow, and Jerome Powell's press conference. The market will be looking at his comments very closely to see if he's going to give any kind of indication on what the Federal Reserve's plans are moving forward for future rate hikes, or potentially a pause in rate hikes, or best case scenario would be future rate cuts where they start cutting the Fed funds rate. I don't anticipate that that's going to happen anytime in the near future. In fact, I'm not sure that it's going to happen this year, but we would be looking potentially for them to make some comments about a potential pause in their Fed funds rate hikes. Nonetheless, tomorrow the market is pretty much expecting that the Federal Reserve is going to increase the Fed funds rate again by 25 basis points. That's pretty much a foregone conclusion at this point. But we'll wait and see if they give any kind of indication of what their plans are at the next meeting in March. As I mentioned yesterday, this week is pretty much jam-packed full of a lot of information, jobless claims, earnings reports, housing numbers, obviously the Fed meeting. So a lot going on this week, a lot to sway the market one way or the other. We'll continue to watch it, keep you updated. I hope everybody has a great afternoon. And as always, I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.